1. Waking up before the world, before the noise, before the scroll. That's when I meet myself and I always show up. 2. Making my bed. Not for neatness, but for momentum. Win the first battle of the day. 3. Cold showers, 60 seconds of discipline. If I can conquer comfort, I can conquer anything. 4. Daily walks without my phone. No noise, no distractions, just clarity. That's where the best ideas are born. 5. 1 hour of deep work, no tabs, no notifications, just brutal, focused execution. 6. Lifting heavy, not just for strength, but for mindset. Iron sharpens everything. 7. Drinking water like it's my superpower, because it is. 8 to 10 pages of reading daily. That's how I rewired my brain. Less chaos, more growth. 9. Journaling. Some days it's messy, some days it's sharp, but every page is honest. 10. One promise kept to myself every day, no matter how small. That's how self-trust is built. 11. No screen time in the first hour. Protect the mind before the world floods it. 12. Tracking my time. Not to be perfect, but to be aware. Most people don't even know where their hours bleed. 13. Saying no often. Not to be rude, but to stay dangerous. 14. Silence every night. No music, no noise. Just me and the weight I carry. That's where healing happens. 15. Daily movement, even when I'm tired. Motion kills stagnation. 16. Eating clean. Not for abs, but for energy, focus, and war. 17. Keeping my space clean. Outer chaos creates inner chaos, so I fight it daily. 18. Writing down 3 wins before bed, even if one of them is just, I didn't quit today. 19. Talking to myself with respect. If I don't have my own back, no one will. 20. Reminding myself every single day, no one is coming to save me. I am the rescue plan. These 20 habits didn't change me overnight. They changed me slowly, painfully, permanently. It was never about motivation. It was about repetition, stacking tiny wins, building identity, evolving in silence. Because the loudest transformations always happen quietly.